Sure, sure. Even I put it down because I thought it was beautiful just to remind you that it's mine.
You can give this to George.
My pleasure. My pleasure. No, no, no. I think it's something to put you back on track when you say nay, nay. But the world is not moving that way. Yes, I know. It's okay. It's my way. And the truth will prevail. Huh? You move anyway. Alright. You move anyway. अच्छा ये किसका फोन है?
Somebody's mobile.
Speaker या किसी?
Yeah, somebody's mobile is ringing.
It's probably just next to the speaker. लो आपका था? I think people are so happy there are no questions for me.
No, we should ask about the cricket. Our experience. The hot
Now I'm
topic.
already exposed. Well, what can I say about cricket? Okay, here I have to say that I only wake up during IPL, and then I don't know much more about cricket.
No, but during IPL, the challenges,
Oh, yeah.
business decisions you have to make.
Sometimes I feel like a little queen bee. I don't do all that work. I get it done by my husband, and Shah Rukh does the other half, and then of course we have KKR has a very wonderful CEO in place, Venki Maestro, and him and the entire team, they take care of day-to-day administration, they take care of the team management, decisions. In fact, it's best this way because they independently make decisions. If it was Shah Rukh and myself and Jai interfering, we make emotional decisions because we are actors. We don't think business. We can't think numbers and money. We think mainly relationships. We must take this person in the team and we must hold on to this relationship. But no, they take it correctly and they do what's best. That's Venki and his entire KKR admin team. And that's how KKR started winning in 2012 and then again, because they took hard decisions and they made it the best team that they thought was possible. So all the credit I would give to KKR's team management, Venki, did that. Aha! I was going to work on this wonderful film called Chalk and Duster. Chalk and Duster because it was dealing with schools and teachers and a really touching, wonderful subject. But we are yet to just begin that. So when we do that,
child education, what she's doing, girl education. Something on girl education, what you're doing? Sonia?
girl education. Well, girl education, I came to be associated with it. The Mehta family has been running a Gurukul for the past 75 years in Porbandar. And it was started with 7 little girls. It's a 90-acre campus, beautifully built. And they started for girl education because at that time, girls were not sent to schools. And this was for girls from rural areas, not really the affording rich kids. At its peak, it had about 1,000 girls studying at the time. Now, because it is in Gujarati, it's a Gujarati medium boarding school, the numbers have slowly been decreasing. And now we find, because I guess today, sadly, education isn't just about educating yourself to be a better person or to be more knowledgeable. It's more information driven. And it is more about getting that job or getting to the right college. the numbers have slowly been decreasing. Now we have about 400 girls in school. But that apart, they have a day school which has another 600 girls coming, and then they have another school which is Gujarati medium, another 400 girls coming. There's a college running. They have some 1,800 girls on the campus. Yes. But we find that because people don't easily want to come now to Gujarati medium schools, which is so sad in a way when you look at it. We will slowly lose your language and your culture because everybody wants an English education. And so now we are at this moment working towards, how to marry the two. Because there are some beautiful things that they do at the Gurukul. They start in the morning with Ved mantras and a Havan. Every morning the girls learn to chant for an hour. Then they go to disperse their classes, education happens. At the end of the day, they again end with a half an hour Havan and chanting. It's Vedic. So it's not religious, but it definitely makes its imprints on the mind, and those girls flower in really beautifully. They are taught archery, which you don't have these days. But now what's happening is it's difficult to find those teachers because slowly these things are going away. They're taught wonderful plays and dance ballets in Gujarati. It is a record, they say very proudly. Till today, we have not, at any of our functions, done any Bollywood number. They say to me. But chalo koi baat nahi. No, but it's a pleasure to watch those dance ballets, dance dramas, because they are so beautifully done. The girls are so beautifully coordinated, simply but prettily dressed. It's a treat. After watching the movies, it really is a treat to watch what they do. So yes, that's how I've very recently gotten involved with that Gurukul school, and now I will take more and more interest, and I will participate much more in modernizing it, but trying to hold on to those wonderful values that the Gurukul stands for.
Thank you.
Any more questions?
Yeah, this is reminding me of शादी के लिए आते हैं, लड़कियों को गाना आता है, चाय बनानी आती है, ओके
She looked lovely.
I really wasn't expecting this part. When you all started saying about the voice, I was like, oh my god, I'm in trouble. Now you're making me nervous. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो। मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो। तुमको बुलाऊं ये पल के बिछाऊं कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो। ज़मीं को आसमां बनाऊं सितारों से सजाऊं अगर तुम कहो। मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो।
That was the I.
I especially want to thank Julie. She was so willing to come and didn't make any